Hello, Network Signals and Systems, question 12. Find output voltage Vout for given circuit. Solution. From the circuit, we found omega equal to 1 radian per second, resistance R equal to 1 ohm, and capacitor C equal to 1 farad, and voltage V out equal to voltage V in multiplied by impedance Z out divided by impedance Z in. This equal to V out equal to under root 2 sin t multiplied by 1 upon j omega c divided by r plus 1 upon j omega c. We put the value of r, c and omega. Then we found here V out equal to under root 2 sin t multiplied by 1 upon under root 2 45 degree. So V out equal to sin t minus 45 degree. Okay, thank you.